Hi, my name is Samuel and I'm a business analyst in a local bank. I think what interests me is the value investing that comes out, and it teaches me investing in a good company rather than just trading. I come upon when I was scrolling Instagram, so I saw the publicity and I was quite interested in what Cayden was sharing. My favorite part in VIP is the method that they have introduced, which is the SEGA, which is to search and evaluate and have access. And the tool that they provide is very valuable for me because it helps me to go in depth to see whether the stock is worth buying or not. And we are supposed to invest in good business, right? So that methodology helps. I think the lesson on doing the trade show, showcasing the stocks is useful because it helps me to apply what I've learned and how we can put into the paper and present it to the audience. I would recommend this course to my friends if, let's say, they are interested in learning good investing values, and this course is definitely a worthwhile recommendation.